Greetings, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the elegant world of MILLENIUM Allium, an exquisite ornamental onion that brings a touch of sophistication to your garden. But before we dive into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of garden plants. MILLENIUM Allium is a remarkable perennial plant celebrated for its stunning globe-shaped clusters of vivid purple flowers. A captivating aspect of a MILLENIUM Allium is its exceptionally long bloom period, typically extending from late spring through midsummer, providing a reliable source of color and interest in the garden. This ornamental onion is a pollinator magnet, attracting butterflies and bees with its nectar-rich blossoms. Native to Eastern Asia, including Siberia and the Himalayas, MILLENIUM Allium has found widespread appreciation in gardens around the world due to its resilience, low maintenance requirements, and its ability to thrive in a variety of soil and climatic conditions. This plant's globe-like blooms add a touch of elegance to landscapes while contributing to biodiversity, making it a standout choice for both professional landscapers and home gardeners alike. This plant thrives in well-drained soil with full sunlight. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring occasional watering and good air circulation. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and protecting it from excessive moisture are crucial for its well-being. MILLENIUM Allium adapts well to borders, rock gardens, and containers, bringing a touch of sophistication to your outdoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on this garden journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Until next time, may your garden thrive, and may your encounters with MILLENIUM Allium bring a touch of sophistication and natural beauty to your gardening adventures. Farewell and happy gardening.